Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make gloom-resistant porridge. This isn't just any breakfast. It's a warm, comforting bowl designed to bring a little sunshine to your morning, no matter the weather outside. We'll explore simple ingredients and easy steps to create a truly uplifting meal. Get ready to transform your breakfast routine into a delightful experience, ensuring a positive start to your day with every single spoonful. It's about nourishing your body and your spirit. To craft your perfect gloom-resistant porridge, start with 1/2 cup of rolled oats, which provide a wonderful creamy base. Next, add 1 cup of your preferred milk or water to achieve the ideal consistency. Don't forget warming spices like a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg. These add incredible depth and comfort. A tiny pinch of salt, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, will surprisingly enhance all the sweet flavors, making your porridge truly special. Now, let's get cooking. Combine your oats, liquid, and spices in a small saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring frequently. Continue to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the porridge thickens to your desired consistency. Constant stirring is key to achieving that wonderfully smooth, creamy texture that makes every bite so satisfying. This simple process ensures a perfectly cooked, comforting bowl every time. Finally, it's time to make your porridge truly gloom-resistant with delightful toppings. Fresh berries, like a 1/4 cup of blueberries or raspberries, add vibrant color and a burst of antioxidants. For healthy fats and a satisfying crunch, sprinkle on 1 tablespoon of chopped nuts or seeds. A drizzle of 1 teaspoon of maple syrup or honey provides natural sweetness. For an extra special touch, consider a small sprinkle of dark chocolate shavings. Enjoy your beautifully crafted, comforting breakfast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.